mama neme rame ugbe mama neme tienya agboe ugbe mama neme bi rame vije e ya agboe wa zua wo wa gogojo benu nwe sota water se e kando uma bi e kando la den na e wo mo wa gbe wa gbikina wolo mo na kan ye wetin talk
oh we ke ya de na e puli e wo bi go la wo pepu igbofo igbelu wa lanu
Iyore he say igbofo go kill like say jealousy go kill like Iyore wetin person like me wan jealousy for Iyore ire don't know water because who we do who will be me demini a jealousy weba say you marry old Oyibo man when he manage give you paper and inside that marriage you come the Duduvaga Emeka Igbo man you come the help the Igbo man they take care of your 5 children for outside now I want jealousy for Abi say waiting okay say you buy a Kusama car when me buy the latest car okay Abi because say you not come born me come born abundance so saloba na be even far we me buy no because we gbofo water for people where you go carry this video go the twist am if aboma la because they know ya tueri ya tulele na they know ya tureri ya tulele Iyore na we gbofo ma gbofin yen ni gbofo gbin yen wa gbon demi no ma bi me na ni se ni ke ai demi no ma bi me bere de gbo ni me gbofo ba demi ni gbofo weba ore ure Facebook ni go rije abire tu talking na teme kia teme we na full egbo disgrace egbo de vie bola wa de no hivo yi oni tale me no lawe egbe ko we asasun afiran mu wo ke nu they know him boy. Okay, maybe you'll see answer to that. Ah, warrior.
Ani e puli aya video where I be show aya video where I be show don't na tabe Facebook ani e puli me dunia pa emi ni bobo me amo no pie akpo le picture akpo la jaba de so akpo le sepisi ni le ani e puli
omo nu ma e bie e ami agbe recipe si yakomo we me recipe si yakwegben yo ne Iyore na person where you if you come out you don't even need to conquer her because cause already there body una dey see her when she dey put children now una dey see her how she take dey using the red they cause her head wabere una dey see her where be say that video we just do it in a play form where we not mention pikin we not mention anything we not nothing but she come now she dey had her womb bad Iyore agbon me a depression of when akere no re yara born egbo ya na that day now you dey talk her for me they say me you go do your papa they say me you go do your mama ateru we bi we yagbon era vi we bi o na me no we ra wi se we ra wa fun awu baba na we me no de we ija do aju we zere no ho we me no de baza me no de be bare ya de we me agbon ya ginu we never ya na ria we ya egbe ta ria agbon ria we wazwa somebody dance cultural do a drama put am for social media you reach there you carry and not be say you advise am not be say you tell am what to do the cure or not be say anything you come dey bully am the body shame am dey tell am make she enter house make she no ever come out again who give you the audacity who give you the infantry who give you the who give you the confidence to say that you were telling the woman never to show herself again on media to go inside when you they commit atrocity for this social media when you they follow 2 husbands at a time who advise you Iyore who tell you even when person come and tell you you go say make the person come collect you where people not the fit to now only you want now marry Ovigbo man use you all the money where you see for social media now only in Nkechi Chinere now be the inheritance where you carry all the money where you work for social media all the money where you work for Facebook TikTok YouTube the only crown where they give you now Nkechi Chinere and that Igbo thing to drink water now be the 2 things where you carry they give you Igbo name collect all your money give you that Igbo this thing to take the drink water so that if you they talk people go they pack the money give you go they pack the money give them when they use you finish they say money not the social media Igbo man not dump you not be only Nkechi Chinere as you zuori di Nkechi Chinere una be giole lobigbo uma be munu be mu dadale legbewe ona re miere la tiabo bobigbo wala wa atie me ne Nkechi Chinere una wa be abandon no Ovigbo pa be nu ho wase e mana people they born for Ovigbo for outside If all those women, they go party, if they go enjoy their life, they will come dump the children for your house. They take care of the children. As Obigbo go, all those children, they not follow Obigbo go. How many people open live video can say, Iyore, we tell you that time, oh, hey, how many? They leave you, they not talk. So what now give you the audacity to think, say, now you now, they not go fit out to be, now you go fit out to person. As everybody do this video, you just continue focus on your own, they mind your business, instead of reply people. Why do I reply man warrior? I go still say, okay, when Iyore nagmoria gina no zua. Nagmoria gina. Iyore, where me denako kebola jana do mwe picho mete. Ana dojo dodoa. Ino we nu ho huwa. Nu gbe wa gba nu sun Iyore. Iyore no rion ba. Iyore no rion tornado. Iyore no anu agbiki na wolo nu gwagwa. Where me odamwe amwe e photo rime ana dojo dodo ave de David dioma mayana do ma yana do mwe pitch where me odia awai ne do awai no awai ne yime ume ogweru weva Iyore ve no wo we where on dem na ga mo do wa ina do amo bi gbobo bo hian ina ga mo bi zon a obi e bo whatever ina ga wo be gbe hian Iyore e boni me ka gwe ho go ri wu Ovi gbona do lele we ya pe grevi Iyore. Nou joua. No majore. Ede na biye wana ga abiye zigi. Yana mu Iyore yana mu. Because the ravi joue mo the spirit u nyami hu ya jore. Beta na we na je ni kaya so we ne. E oge no we na gba kan de gbori akan keje. Iya we ke na enige. Ni lage. E ke na enige omo laga na wo ma. Na ba be jo na sweat o ga jore. Oge gbe. Umajo maroma uma khio ma khia. Why warrior? No to who? Ofiawu. Why am I oye? Abi wa. Ugba wa gbo where me platform where de. Iyore no where me ne press get the platform where de bia do why. Bia do why. Ba why. Where me wa there. Ugwo ho a. Ada de gbe ya tare mama. I name una. I know ba una. Where you not reach at all, una measurement una coming. And if I did my right, say I get the time, I do work boy, I go be mama never be. So why you waheje be? Why fi where you may le luwa we saga or mewe saga uga o me do ya ho we. Iwe sago me wani na do abama owe. Uma gbe panty, una do one me I not dey follow na do that nonsensical boy saga. You see everything why they talk since for your body. It is the fact. I am stating the fact. Okuijwe yobi egbejwe gbasha woni. Megwa mama bobo na waiting day your body the fact. The only woman where be say he married officially to white man. White man never die and the black man where they do vagaran. Iyana kokoya bere the white man. Iyana kokoya mu flower ye grave. Ike chichinyere nu wori ya wagbon. No we Iyore no your moze. On a ring grodi. Umi ami as you can't tell us when we join no waya agbeli kin e ring grodi. Imazeba we nu dota mi mano. When we join no waya beg e wearing grodi. We how dare me beg it there. Ovie se so your motor ovie na ehin. Ovie na ehin. Egbera me gbije no. Ozu o wagbon. Owa. Well, dare me family no ma ve je me ma ve ra me ma ve je me no kwa na ya beg e wearing grodi. You are a beggar. Aye ba we wa bi jwe no kwa ka de one rafi wa ba bu ne. Na se ni unu wa na gbu Iyore. Wa warrior. Wa sun. Mota beggar remain a beggar no matter wetin. Ekita ohun enu mayon sponge ya bi wore. Unwe no pe se be no sie ni ri oyesie. Iyore hin. Uye be la na social media. Umudia ni yesige udada mo po. Uja rap bi agoro ho. Be nu gbesa uye gbenyo ho a. Uye gbe lahie wa sun odola jan do aji mene ale do we fi je ye do mu me ye mu Iyore be wa gbolokoshi iba bola we gbe wa sun o come o hama mi Iyore ri magbenya jo Iyore no fie to a na gboria gina Iyore 1960 in France no ma mi bebo ya bebo e bari mu le gbe all the money where they donate for you for Idiani Yesige time. The season where you take out Idiani Yesige, come they ask for donation up and down. Iyore, if you build fuel station for any country, you never still do. When I be filling station de France, if I am Iyore filling station, when I get here, I have a time here. Am I way? Am I so am I? We go lion of Igbo in Kechichinyeri. What ya? Who can do a camera the war goma? Why can't I get Benen woman? What do go away? A canajun can I hear Biada de Seva? Who go your walk? Go. What soon? What bell the national pistol rain? Uma carries in nene? Where this kid one can reply. May I reply? I'll be me, Ketty. When it comes to Amabu, Imafu, when it comes to you and some certain people, he may joy. I don't get joy. Oh, jealousy that they jealous me. Like, Azao now, make me to understand, make it make sense. Azao, the jealousy of Belu, who are jealousy, man, and who are jealous. Azao, make it make sense. In which way, in which format, in which area? When you are saying it, please try to be adding it where who are jealous in her because in now, who are jealous in her because in now, we're not gonna have you where does mean there you. If not be saga where the saga Iyore, well tell me when babu where does mean here. As at 2024, after 32 years in Europe, you are still putting one person mattress on the floor, sleeping on the floor. Eh, ya na yezigi when I wear does be Iyore, ugbavi wanwa, ugugu sunwa. Isha, wadegi Iyore. He is our abalo me. I'm a poverty thinking people not do agreement. Go on. Men we are a platform in why you wear. Why you boking out press skate? Why my water? Why my wagon? Manabe duaru leo. Who can leru no mau ya sumene? Etenu erunuri namu du eto mekinorie. Eto mekinorie because unu wek buwe yani. Ya oho ane. We no wuja. Uwe wama no wuna ya beri o we wuja ne. Wow, nonsensical human being that they jealous me. Now jealous that day. How? If you they talk that thing, say that they jealous me or my people, I beg, try to they add down the area where you for take past them, where they jealous people add down. We want to know. My people where they watch me more at the time, we want to know. Iyore, we want to know in which area they are jealousing you. We the watcher, the viewer, the looker. The commenter, we want to know the area of life when people take the jealousy where you take better past them. They add that joy. We want to know. They want to know. Ekenia na gbovowe na maoni mae nusunwu. Agbel. Demi no makhiye be social media. Demi no makhiye illiteracy. No worry to the extent. Una ga yesota water gbele mani bunwa. Because of your illiteracy, not learned. Esukumasuku umamwe bova nothing when I work a 12 years iwari kia lele Nigeria when I work a 12 years iwa man nothing you don't know anything you can't finish you say me that they drink salt and water imagine somebody that have high blood pressure that need to do away with salt person wey get high blood pressure doctor they even tell they say if it's possible not they use salt say they cook again hey you may live but you go they say niyaga to a yamengo. That one can't they increase their blood vessels. It can't they increase and they increase. That don't never hulo you over piep. We go fit count how many people die for your sake. We go fit count how. Abi yani nweye e sata water gbele. Iya unwiya hiya talk boy. Unwiya talk boy the ini niyaje. Unwiya must to talk boy. Because ignorant or worry ni. They were naive. Ignorant or logging because inya mahe. That is why I'm always telling you people, when you are not learned, try to associate with people that are a bit learned. It must not be a graduate. When you know, say you don't know. Try to make friends with people where you still know small past you. Don't go and be making friends with people where you say you don't know, but you still know past them. They will end up to drag you to the mall. They will end up to drag you to your early grave. They will end up to tell you the things that will scandalize your destiny. It's just not my go, integrated. She's not integrated in the country she's living in. Iyore is not integrated in the country she's living in. She's not integrated anywhere. She not know God. She not know even the French, whether they speak fluently. Somebody that have lived in a country more than 35 years, she cannot speak fluently French. She cannot write it nor read it. Now we in a country for over 30 something years. There are a lot of people in Yamaje primary school in Nigeria. But when they migrated to Europe, they started, integrating themselves. In Yamaje school, from there, they now know how to read, they know how to write. They even speak more than those that are graduates. You can hardly tell that these people are not even learned in their country. Iyore ma van. Why la social media do aye do davan. Do awe nonsense thing ni ma react ya ba do react your nonsense thing. You are famous. They can not famous no. Because there are still a lot of thousands of people where you don't even know whether they exist. Wow, for your mind now, so they say the correct person. For your mind now, to where to correct the woman, you cannot even differentiate between bullying and correction. You see your life. You cannot even indicate it to say, oh, actually this was a bullying. You can't even differentiate it. The difference between to correct or to bully. You don't even know. And you are not even open for correction. Wow, what you ever gone? All of that do reply Maya. Ugele ne winana. Wow, bell. Soon. Eh, ya ne de ya o ave Maya ndwa igotie gbo do agotia. Zua. When we saga with Ori. When we saga with Ori. Again, no na kamu kan. Even so agbo no na ya you go bribe avinya ya. You got to pay all of the money, may they come to saga my enemy. Imagine here because I know where they are coming from. Unas when you are paying 200 euro yeah, 100 euro yeah, 300. Una paying ya so that they will come after me. You see that I don't mind it because I am like that. I know where it's coming from. I will never be carried away by all those charlatans. Ni mami you when I know the strategy, how it works. What are you hoy? You will not want somebody to tell you that you are wrong in this aspect, but you will be quick to correct people. Somebody that don't want to take correction can never correct others. Go and put that in your dumb skull. Go and put it in your dumb skull. If you are not open for correction, don't come out to correct anybody. You can't give what you can't take. Something you know you can't take, don't dish it out. Uredo bully or need to stupor. No, it don't supposed to be like that. Women need to support women. Women need to cover for women. When something is not nice, it's good you say it, but say it in an appropriate way. Say it in a good manner. Things that are well okay. So that woman cannot just break down at once. If she have high blood pressure, she have any illness within her, that can just break her easily while watching those videos. I was trying to tell you that let's try to have a way of putting things accordingly. It is good and fun when you see any issue on media that you want to address. It's left for you. It is good for you. Address it. But what I'm against is don't bully your fellow woman. I don't support that and I will never support it.